Hello, so this is going to be your first video lesson, and as you can see it's going to be a little bit different. The main difference is today I'm not wearing any pants, so that's the first thing. Yeah, just kidding. We're going to look today, I'm going to look at, as you can see, my son's been at the whiteboard already, and he insisted on giving that message to everybody because he said the world's getting very, very, very gloomy, and we'll get through this. So there you go, Baby Yoda is sending good vibes. Not now, he's not. Right, on a serious part, please, hopefully you're all practicing social distancing. Please stay 2 meters apart. I was down the beach. Well, I wasn't down the beach. I look out on the beach, like over the weekend, there was hundreds and hundreds of people. All took the kids down. Oh, it's a lovely day. Oh, everyone, the kids are off school. And please stay in your house as much as you can. Please stay away from, follow the government advice, stay away from other people. You know, you might think that you haven't got it. Oh, I'm fine, I'm okay, that's great. Yeah, if you're fine, you're okay, but you may be carrying a virus and passing it to somebody vulnerable. Okay, so please follow the government advice. With these video lessons, what we're expecting is that you still have to do your work. Yeah, you still got deadlines to meet and things like that. The emails coming from Mark and things like that, we're all behind you for this, because we realise how difficult it's going to be without face-to-face contact to get some of these concepts across to you. So that's why there's also videos on YouTube. There's a Newcastle Aviation YouTube. Well, you're watching it now if you're watching this video. I'll just work that out. So please subscribe to the channel, put comments on the video, or send us emails. We're not sure how the texts come back from eTracker yet. We don't think they come back reliably, so your best thing is to send an email. Okay, if you're not on the college email, and on the emails as well, please, here's one key point is, right, you put your name comes up with S00827, something like that, right? That's all we get. Okay, so in the subject, where you've got subject, in the subject line, please write, you know, like assignment 4, whatever it is you want to talk about, right? And at the end of the email, so you write your email, Steve, yeah, you've got lovely hair, how do you keep it looking so shiny and beautiful, blah, 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 I don't care what it is, right? Okay, or get that rat chopped off the back of your head. And at the end of it, put, you know, I don't know, Jason Bourne, whatever your name is, right? Just so that you can we can tell who it's from, because when we get this, we've got to look through a big register, work out, almost decode that, and work out who we're talking to. It's a lot easier. Please put your names at the end of each email or at the start of each email, so we'll know who's interacting. Okay, we've been asked to keep a register of who is interacting. We've been asked to keep a register of who is interacting every day, or at least every week. So if you don't have any interaction all week, even if you're just watching the videos and getting on with your assignments, send us an email. I will accept a comment on YouTube, right, just to say good video, or watch the video, help with the assignment, or something like that, right? Just even so, but log on to YouTube and go, I watched that video, or you know, something like that. Or send me an email. Send me an email with a question, okay? And then if I get, like, say, if I get 10 emails all with the same question, I'll do a dedicated PowerPoint and I'll put the PowerPoint onto Moodle. Yeah, I think that's one way of doing it. So if I get, if you get individual questions, what I'll do is at the end of each week, or towards about the Thursday or whatever, I'll look at the questions that I've got the previous week, and I'll decide whether it warrants a new PowerPoint or a new bit of content. I might make a video about it if that's appropriate, or I don't know, a new PowerPoint, or a targeted email to your email address to tell you, to give you some one-to-one guidance, just exactly the same as I would do in class. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video now, and I'll put another video. I'm going to use this as an intro to the teaching. I'm not going to start with a subject deck, because my camera only does about maybe 15 minutes before it kind of runs out of battery, or decides to have a bit of a fit. So yeah, so stay safe, stay in the house, watch the videos, get your work in. You'll notice that there's one assignment already live for Unit 66 on Moodle, on Turn It In. Other assignments will be coming this week. Okay, second years, your assignments will be coming this week as well, and that you've already got a paper copy of assignment 3. I will make a little video for you just for assignment 3, just to guide you through it and things like that. And please, if you've got any questions on assignment 3, because the questions on assignment 3 are quite complicated, please email me if you've got any questions. Remember, you must use email a lot more than you have been. Okay, you can also reply on the forum on Moodle. If you log into the forum, you can reply to, I think you can reply to forum and comments on Moodle, which is something that we don't use very well. Okay, we should be using that more. Okay, so I'll see you in another video in about sort of 10 minutes when we're going to look at Unit 66 flaps. If you're not, if you're second years, obviously you've done this one already, so yeah, so just for first years only. Stay tuned and I'll see you shortly. Bye.